بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
The time of people's reckoning has drawn near, and yet they turn aside in heedlessness.
ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون.
Whenever any fresh admonition comes to them from their Lord, they barely heed it and remain immersed in play.
لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
Their hearts being set on other concerns. The wrongdoers whisper to one another, "This person is no more than a mortal like yourselves. Will you then be enchanted by sorcery while you see?"
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
He said, "My Lord knows well all that is spoken in the heavens and the earth. He is all-hearing, all-knowing."
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
They say, "Nay, these are confused dreams. Nay, he has forged it. Nay, he is a poet. So let him bring us a sign, even as the messengers of the past were sent with signs."
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
Not one township that we destroyed before them believed. Would they then believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
O Muhammad, even before you we never sent any other than human beings as messengers, and to them we sent revelation. Ask the people of the book if you do not know.
وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين.
We did not endow the messengers with bodies that would need no food, nor were they immortals.
ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
Then we fulfilled the promise we had made to them. We rescued them and those whom we wished, and we destroyed those who exceeded all bounds.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
We have bestowed upon you a book that mentions you. Do you not understand?
وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين.
How many a wrongdoing town did we shatter and then raise up another people.
فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم منها
when they perceived our chastisement, they took to their heels and fled.
لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
They were told, "Flee not, but return to your comforts and to your dwellings. You are likely to be questioned."
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Woe to us! Surely we were wrongdoers."
فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
They did not cease to cry this until we reduced them to stubble, still and silent.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
We did not create in sport the heavens and the earth and all that lies between the two.
لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين.
Had it been our will to find a pastime, we would have found one near at hand, if at all we were inclined to do so.
بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
Nay, we hurl the truth at falsehood, so that the truth crushes falsehood, and lo, it vanishes. Woe to you for what you utter.
وله من في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون.
To him belongs whosoever dwells in the heavens and on earth. Those angels that are with him neither disdain to serve him out of pride, nor do they weary of it.
يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون.
They glorify him night and day without flagging.
أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون.
Have they taken earthly gods who are such that they raise up the dead to life?
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
Had there been any gods in the heavens and the earth apart from Allah, the order of both the heavens and the earth would have gone to ruins. Glory be to Allah, the Lord of the throne, who is far above their false descriptions of Him.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
None shall question him about what he does, but they shall be questioned.
أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
Have they taken gods other than him? Say, O Muhammad, bring forth your proof. Here is the book with admonition for those of my time, and there are also scriptures with admonition for people before me. But most people do not know the truth, and have therefore turned away from it.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
Never did we send any messenger before you to whom we did not reveal, there's no God but me, so serve me alone.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون.
They say, the most compassionate Lord has taken to himself a son. Glory be to him. Those whom they so designate are only his honored servants.
لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون.
They do not outstrip him in speech and only act as he commands.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
He knows whatever is before them and whatsoever is remote from them, and they do not intercede except for him, intercession on whose behalf pleases him, and they stand constantly in awe of him.